the description box. Number 4 is NEEGO Canon Wireless Inkjet Printer. The NEEGO Canon Wireless Inkjet All-in-One Printer is an optimistic choice for anyone looking to print vibrant and eye-catching designs on HTV, heat transfer vinyl. With its impressive features and user-friendly interface, this printer takes the hassle out of creating personalized garments and accessories. Setting up the NEEGO Canon Wireless Inkjet All-in-One Printer is a breeze, thanks to its seamless wireless connect functionality. Connectivity options abound with this printer. Whether you prefer a high-speed USB connection or the convenience of Wi-Fi, printing from your computer or mobile devices is a snap. Featuring a sleek 1.5-inch segment LCD screen and intuitive buttons, navigating the printer's functions is a joy. Printing, copying, and scanning become second nature, making for a seamless and enjoyable experience. The NEEGO Canon Wireless Inkjet All-in-One Printer boasts an excellent print resolution of 4800 by 1200 dpi, ensuring your designs come out crisp, vibrant, and full of life. Whether a small logo or a large design, this printer handles it all quickly, supporting sizes up to 8.5 by 14 inch. Take yours today by clicking on the link in the description box and take your printing to the next level.